Morning routine. Person A. Good morning. How did you sleep? Person B. Morning. I slept pretty well, thanks. How about you? Person A. Not too bad. Did you have any plans for today? Person B. I have a few things to do. I need to go grocery shopping and then stop by the post office. How about you? Person A. I'm just going to work. But first, I need my coffee. Want some breakfast? Person B. Sure, that sounds great. What do you have? Person A. I was thinking about making some scrambled eggs and toast. Person B. Perfect. I'll help you set the table. At work. Colleague A. Hey, did you finish the report for the meeting? Colleague B. Yes, I did. I emailed it to you last night. Did you get a chance to review it? Colleague A. Yes, I did. It looks good. We just need to add a bit more detail to the financial section. Colleague B. Okay, I'll work on that after lunch. By the way, do you want to grab a coffee later? Colleague A. That sounds great. I could use a break. Let's meet at 3 p.m. in the lobby. At the grocery store. Person A. Excuse me, can you tell me where I can find the baking supplies? Store employee. Sure, they're in aisle 5, right next to the spices. Person A. Thank you. Also, do you have any organic produce? Store employee. Yes, our organic section is over there, near the dairy products. Person A. Great, thanks for your help. At the post office. Person A. Hi, I need to send this package to New York. What are my shipping options? Post office clerk. You can choose between standard, express, and overnight shipping. Standard takes about 5 to 7 days, express is 2 to 3 days, and overnight is next day delivery. Person A. I'll go with express shipping. How much will that be? Post office clerk. That will be $15.50. Do you need any additional services, like insurance or tracking? Person A. Yes, please add tracking. Post office clerk. All set. Here's your receipt and tracking number. Have a great day. Person A. Thanks, you too. At home. Person A. Hey, I'm home. How was your day? Person B. Hey. My day was good. I got a lot done. How about yours? Person A. Pretty busy, but I got through it. Did you get everything done you needed to? Person B. Yes, I did. I even had time to go to the gym. What do you want for dinner? Person A. How about we order some pizza? Person B. Sounds perfect. I'll call and place the order. Evening relaxation. Person A. Do you want to watch a movie? Person B. Sure, what do you have in mind? Person A. I heard there's a new comedy on Netflix. How about that? Person B. Sounds good to me. I'll make some popcorn. Person A. Great. I'll get the drinks. Bedtime. Person A. I'm so tired. It's been a long day. Person B. Me too. Ready to call it a night? Person A. Definitely. Did you set the alarm for tomorrow? Person B. Yes, it's set for 7 a.m. Person A. Perfect. Good night. Person B. Good night. Sleep well. Next morning. Person A. Morning. Did you sleep well? Person B. Morning. Yes, I did. Ready to start another day. Person A. Yep, let's do it. These dialogues cover various everyday situations, including morning routines, workplace conversations, shopping, running errands, and winding down in the evening. They illustrate common phrases and interactions that are useful in daily life. Thanks for watching.